first recipe we're gonna do is chicken hummus toasts. This is a really good way to use up leftover chicken.
And this is a really tasty open-faced sandwich. So Joel, how do we get started with this recipe?
So the first thing we do is we want to cover our toast in hummus.
All right, perfect. So with this, you can use any kind of bread that you like. We like to use a multi-grain bread. You just toast that bread. We've done that step for you. And now we're spreading on some delicious hummus. This is also a great source of protein. It's made from chickpeas. Thanks, Joel. Go in there. All right, that looks perfect. And you know what? It's so fun to just get in the kitchen, get messy. It doesn't have to be perfect. The next step is we have got something called arugula, and you can use that, or you can use baby spinach, or any other favorite green. And we just layer that right on the bread as much as you like, or as little as you like. And each ingredient just helps to build flavor with these delicious open-faced sandwiches. Okay, that looks great. And now the star ingredient is our roasted chicken. And a little tip is I love to roast chicken on a Sunday afternoon and then use it for all kinds of recipes for the next few days, to make sandwiches, wraps, to top salads, to make tacos and enchiladas. There's just so many things that you can do with chicken. And of course, we love to make these chicken hummus toasts. Well, that looks good. And now we're just gonna put some tomatoes on top. Perfect. I used cherry tomatoes here. These are Roma tomatoes. You can use whatever kind of tomatoes that you like. And then we've got an interesting last little ingredient here.
These are capers. They just add a little bit of flavor. They're kind of salty. They're a little bit like olives.
Right, like a little tiny olive. Just something new to try. It gives that little pop of flavor, and it makes them look really pretty too. So these make a great snack, a great lunch, or a quick meal. And there you go. You have your chicken and hummus toast. And of course, you can find this recipe in your Now You're Cooking with Manitoba Chicken booklet.